Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can connect your pen drive with your TCL Smart TV. So if you have a USB device and you want to connect it to your Smart TV and transfer anything or watch a movie or watch anything, so what you can simply do is you can connect this pen drive on the right side of your Smart TV backside. So there's a USB port right here in the backside of your Smart TV. So I can simply connect it there. So after connecting your USB device, you are going to see this prompt and you can simply open it. And as you can see, my USB is now connected. I can open my USB and see which files are in my USB, and these are all the files that are currently in my pen drive. I can access these files, and I can, if there are any file that can play it, or any video file or any photos, they will show up right here and you can play it and watch it. So this is how you use your pen drive with your Smart TV. I hope it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.